Here's a little different lathe project I got going today. I welded all this together. Got a drawbar in there holding it against up against the chuck. Okay, here we'll make a cut. I'll show you some more while it's getting up there closer. Bolt all the way through the lathe. One of them. Using high-speed steel. I gotta get the diameter right, and then I gotta face off both sides. I think I got a little further to go. I don't think it's going to clean up in this pass, but I thought I'd show you that. And this. That's how I got this out here. To get in there. Well, we're getting down to about our final pass. It cleans up real good. Then we'll move to the other side. Here's kind of my setup. I'm using a boring bar, high-speed steel bit. Put a real nice finish on it. Had to turn the compound rest out so I could get enough clearance. Clears that spot up, then I'm good. And if it don't, I'll have to take another light cut until I get that cleared off. Well, I got got this side all cleared up. We moved over here and we're starting to chew away on this side a little bit. That's the first cut I'm making on it. If I do another set, I'm going to do some things a little different. Just got so much run out before I get started. I start out with a 3/8 plate and I end up with a 1/4 inch plate. Still using high-speed steel. Well, it looks like we're finishing up on our last pass about. I'll probably take another light skin cut just to get it as smooth as I can. These are actually going to be brake hats on a John Deere pulling tractor. It's pretty smooth now, but you know, if you take a 5 or 6 thousandths pass over that, then it really smooths it up a lot. Okay, got them both done. I'll try to explain to you how they're going to work. The John Deere has a wet disc on, wet brake setup on it. We're eliminating that. So if you imagine this big hole here, this will be the main axle shaft will go through here, and then these bolt holes will bolt to a plate that's welded to the axle. And then my light turned on here, and you can see down there, you can see where that register is at. Trying to get too much glare in there. That register there will go over the plate which registers the wheel on. So this is going to be sandwiched between the plate, then this piece, and then the wheel goes out here and registers on here. So this thing here will register the wheel, and the axle plate will be registered on the inside of this. And then a bolt goes through the wheel, through the brake hat here, and then through the plate that's welded onto the axle. And then we can put disc brakes on it. Anyway, that's the theory. So that's it for that project.